Good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. In last class we were studied about the prokaryotic cell and today we are going to start the next topic, that is eukaryotic cell. Meaning of eukaryotic: Eu means true, karyon means nucleus. It means well developed or well defined nucleus is present okay. So features of eukaryotic cells. First, eukaryotic cells have well defined nucleus. It means membrane bound nucleus. Inside the nucleus, nucleoplasm is present, but in prokaryotic cells nucleoplasm or cytoplasm are mixed. Okay, nucleoplasm means liquid contents which is found in nucleus and surrounded by nuclear membrane. Nucleus have nuclear membrane and nuclear membrane is double ONM and INM. ONM means outer nuclear membrane and INM means inner nuclear membrane. So nucleus is surrounded by double nuclear membrane, outer nuclear membrane or inner nuclear membrane. Nucleolus black body of nucleus is also present in nucleus. Genetic material DNA. But in eukaryotic cells nucleus, both DNA and RNA are found. Each organized in chromosomes. Okay. Second, compartmentalization of cytoplasm. Are found because in cytoplasm fluid matrix with biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and all cell organelles, Golgi body, mitochondria, chloroplast, plastids, peroxisome, lysosomes have divided functions. So all cell organelles are membrane bounded and have particular functions. But some cell organelles are membraneless. So exception in plant cell, ribosome, is membraneless, centriole, which help in cell division, present in animal cell. Centriole is absent in plant cell. Both are membraneless cell organelles. Okay. Example of eukaryotic cells are Protista, fungi, plants, and animals. It means Protista like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium, fungi, Ascomycetes, Blastomycetes, all plants and all animals have eukaryotic cell type. But in this chapter only discuss about the plant cell and animal cell. Discuss about the Protista and fungi in first unit. Okay. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the plant cell. It means difference between plant cell and animal cell. Because plant cell and animal cell are example of eukaryotic cell. Let's see diagram. Plant cell have cell wall. So it is the important characters of plant cell, and cell wall help in the definite shape of plant cell. it is thick and rigid and non-living nature. But it is not continue. At some place, pits or polar structures are found which help in transportation between two cells. And junction between two plant cells through which cytoplasmic contents exchange known as plasmodesmata, inner side, plasma membrane or cell membrane present. In the center, a large vacuole is situated, resultant nucleus is separated towards plasma membrane. Okay. Inside the nucleus, genetic material is present in the form of DNA and black dot represent the nucleolus and liquid represent the nucleoplasm. Ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum above this. Golgi apparatus, which is known as dictyosome in plants, because Golgi apparatus named used in animal cell, and in plant cell name of Golgi apparatus is dictyosome. Above the Golgi, lysosome cell organelle is present and clastids are situated on periphery region. Other cell organelles like mitochondria, microtubules, cytoskeleton, glioxysome, proxysomes, spirosomes, which are combinedly known as microbodies, are present. And other biomolecules, lipids, proteins, carbohydrates are also found in fluid matrix. Okay. So outer thick wall is known as cell wall. Inside the cell wall, plasma membrane, in the center, vacuole cell organelle is found, and membrane of vacuole is known as specific name tonoplast. Inside the vacuole, sac is filled up, which contain organic and inorganic material. Tonoplast, vacuolar membrane. Okay, it is the outer nuclear membrane. Inner side, inner nuclear membrane of nucleus, black dot, nucleolus, liquid fluid, nucleoplasm, and thread-like structure represent the genetic material or chromosomes. Okay. So ONM, INM, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and genetic material, chromosomes, are combinedly known as nucleus. Means these are part of nucleus. Genetic material. Genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Inside the chromosomes, DNA is present. It means in nucleus, chromosomes are found DNA is the part of chromosomes, and a small fragment of chromosome is known as genes, and genes is the hereditary unit, and it is the small segment or part of DNA. Genes are situated on the chromosomes, so chromosomes are carrier of genes in next generation, and DNA is the genetic material. But in eukaryotic cells, RNA is also found, but it is unstable or temporary, which help in the protein synthesis. Okay. Outer membrane of nucleus form a folded structure which is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types according to their function and presence of ribosomes. If ribosomes are absent on endoplasmic reticulum, then it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER, full form smooth ER, and function of smooth ER is lipid synthesis. When ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum, then named is Ref ER. Okay. And these red dots represent the ribosomes. Above the ER, Golgi apparatus is present, but in plant cell, Golgi apparatus is known as dictyosome. Above the Golgi, location of lysosomes, cell organelle, which have hydrolytic enzymes, and it is also known as suicidal bag of cell, postman of cell. Green color cell organelle represent the plastid, especially chloroplast. But plastids are of three types: chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless, which are found in root of plant cell like radish. Chromoplasts provide color to flowers and fruits, and chloroplast, which is help in photosynthesis. Due to this, plants show greenish color because inside chloroplast, chlorophyll pigment is present, and it is the mitochondria cell organelle. These tubular structures are microtubules, and it is the cytoskeleton protein part. And Small bodies which are known as microbodies are peroxisome, glyoxysome, and spherosome. These are minute cell organelles commonly known as microbodies. And fluid matrix known as cytoplasm. Okay, so it is the structure of plant cell, and special characters is cell wall, which is composed from cellulose, pectin, generally cellulose